Inside the Niger Delta.
Glad to know you're still there. If you're just joining us, it's Inside the Niger Delta, the authentic voice of Nigeria's oil-rich region. Governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, in Bayelsa State, Senator Doyediri, has promised to fully harness the state's abundant coastal resources to transform the glory of all lands if he's elected governor of Bayelsa State on November 16 this year. Senator Diri made the pledge during the PDP governorship campaign flag-off in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa State capital.
Bayelsans turned out in their numbers to witness the flag-off of the PDP governorship campaigns in Yenagoa. In appreciation of their support, the PDP governorship candidate promised to run a people-centered government if given the opportunity to succeed outgoing Governor Henry Seriake Dixon. In agreement with his running mate, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo, Doyediri promised to open up Bayelsa State for rapid development.
Our lofty development ideals and ideas is to open up our states. When we hit brass, get ready, because our brass LNG must work so that our youths will have employment, so that Bayelsa will be a safe haven for investment.
Leaders and supporters of the PDP described the choice of Doyediri as the best thing to happen to Bayelsans. They promised to deliver block votes for the party across the 105 political wards in 8 local government areas of Bayelsa State.
PDP is the only party in Bayelsa State that can win elections. And of course, we have a candidate in Senator Doyediri that is well grounded in leadership.
We did it February 23rd, the election, and we are going to do it November 16th. That is the assurance I'm going to give. Brass will be delivered to PDP come November 16th.
Among those declaring support for Doyediri in the Bayelsa governorship contest are defectors from the opposition All Progressives Congress.
I am tired of letting my emotions rule me. I want my head to rule me. I have calculated and seen that PDP means well for this state, and come November 16, 2019, PDP will take the day.
For Governor Seriake Dixon, the Doye and Lawrence ticket signifies stability for Bayelsa State.
Our party leaders and courtesy of the delegates, we are presenting a ticket of stability, a ticket of experience, a ticket that will not turn this state and our state capital to a gathering place of hooligans and criminals where people will be running away as they were doing before. That is why we are presenting this ticket, and by the grace of God, your next governor 2020, February 14, Senator Doyediri.
Senator Doyediri, representing Bayelsa Central in the Senate, is a former member of the House of Representatives and one-time Commissioner of Sports in Bayelsa State. He intends to bring his wealth of experience to bear in governance as the next Chief Executive of Bayelsa State.
Inside the Niger Delta.